Hey, Edith. You want to help me clean the backyard today?
Yeah.
Let's go. Come. Okay. Welcome to Edith's Magical World. Ready to clean?
Yeah.
Here's your cleaning supplies.
Woo!
Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna sweep it up and put all the leaves in your little bucket, okay? It's okay. Okay, sweep up the leaves. Good job, Edith. Okay, now put it in the bucket, Edith.
Daddy?
What's that? That's a twig. Good job. Okay, let's go over here and put the rocks back. Over here. All right, Edith. So now we're gonna sweep the rocks, okay? Good job. Putting all the rocks back where they go. Yeah, good job. Good job, Edith. Okay, good job, Edith. All right, now come up and clean all your toys. Put them in the bucket. Good job, Edith. Almost done. We got 2 more left. 1 and 2. Right here, Edith. The little fishy. Put it in the bucket. Wow, Edith, it looks so clean. Good job. Yeah, are you tired? Oh, you're so amazing for helping. Thank you. All right, thank you for watching. Bye. Please like and subscribe.